Welcome back to our university course on searches. In this course, we'll introduce you to Nxql, the Nuxeo Platform's query language used for every document listing and search form in the application. Nxql looks very similar to regular SQL language. In Nxql, you start a query with select, something, from. The reason is that Nxql only allows read queries for security purposes. When writing Nxql, you can be sure you will be safe from harm. To launch queries during this video, we will use the Nuxeo extension available for the Firefox and Chrome browsers. Note that you can also test your queries in the Nxql console from the admin menu via the Nuxeo application. Nxql is made to be database agnostic. It doesn't return raw table data, but rather documents. And you don't need to know the underlying table structure to launch a query. So next thing to add to our query will be the document keyword. Typing select star from document will return all documents you have access to in your Nuxeo Platform instance. As we are logged in as an administrator, this specific query could prove to be very costly. So let's try to restrict it a little. First option we can take is to replace the document keyboard with a specific document type. We'll use the invoice type to retrieve invoices. What if we use a more generic document type? The file document type, for instance. Select star from file. Notice that this time we retrieve not only file documents, but also invoices among the results. Why? That's because when using this keyword, you will retrieve all document types inheriting from file as well. In Studio, invoices have been designed to inherit from the file document type, and so here they are. Similarly, as all document types inherit from the document type, typing select star from document returns any kind of document type. If we want to get more specific results, predicates can be added to our query using the where keyword. For instance, you may search on a document property using its XPath. We'll launch a query using the invoice amount as a predicate. Notice how the same document seemingly appears multiple times? This is because each document version is a document in itself. We need to filter them out, as well as documents in the trash. We'll simply add the appropriate predicates for that. That's it. The ECM keyword is used for specific document attributes. You may refer to the documentation for a complete list. Nxql allows for many sorts of predicates. Document properties, including complex and multi-valued ones, facets, tags, and so on. Note, however, that joins and subqueries are not available for performance reasons. This slide indicates the list of the predicates and operators you can use in your queries. As you can see, you can execute quite complex queries, such as find me all the invoices created last year, located in the Acme folder, and which contains any keyword item. Finally, be aware you can also query for any information stored in the list. It applies to multivalued and complex properties. For example, you can look for the nth value of a multivalued properties or look for any value. You just have to use the slash character after the property XPath followed by star to get any value, or the number for the value of the nth entry. We would like to end this course by strongly recommending you read the Nxql documentation page. In fact, it contains many examples which can be reused. It will help you save time when you have to build your own queries. Thanks for watching.